Digital gear pump based liquid filling machine can fill 100 to 5000 ml liquid. It can fill low viscous liquid to high viscosity liquid. Machine can be operated on a foot switch or auto timer mode. Machine have a SS316 gear pump which can be suitable for food product as well as corrosive products like agriculture fertilizer liquids and the cleaning liquid like surface cleaner, floor cleaner, harpic, etc. Machine comes with a shut-off nozzle or plain nozzle or the diving type nozzle as per the request of the customer. Machine has a 0.5 HP motor and a timer and a delta make variable speed drive. It's very easy to operate and clean. Machine volume can be set in the machine digitally by setting the time and speed. By setting the time and speed, we can decide the flow rate of the machine. It can fill corrosive liquids or the foamy liquids as well. This machine can also be converted to the automatic model by attaching to the conveyor and PLC controls. We can also provide a servo motor to make it more accurate, and we also have a low pump filler based on it.